thought it was a heron, but I'm not quite sure. It had a big beak like a heron. Oh no, it's something else. Look, it's something else. Can't zoom in any further. It's not moving either. Yeah. It's not a heron, but I don't know what it is. Let's try and look it up when we get back. Looks like, no, it looks like it there. Oh, when it stitches neck up, you can see it, but it kind of squashes its head down so it doesn't look like a heron, but I don't know. When it lifts its head up, but when it squashes it down, it looks like a penguin.
The heron is not moving. I don't know what is waiting.
The stream thing that goes off the canal, like a overflow. Look at that, line of daffodils. So this comes with the canal. This is a turning point in the canal for the boats. And like you see, there's an overflow down there. And then that'll come where the lock is. That's where the lock is there. Whenever I zoom in, it stays still.